Have you ever imported a video into an editor only to find the audio slowly drifting out of sync? Or maybe the preview looks choppy even though the video plays fine in a media player. One common reason is VFR, variable frame rate. VFR means the frame rate changes throughout the video. It's common in phone recordings, screen captures, gameplay clips, and some action camera footage. It helps reduce file size, but many editing programs prefer CFR, or constant frame rate, where the video keeps the same frame rate from start to finish. So if your video has editing problems, audio sync issues, inaccurate cuts, or timeline lag, converting VFR to CFR can often help. First, let's use free HD Video Converter Factory. Open the program and add your VFR video. Open the output format library, go to the video category, and choose a common format like MP4. Then open the parameter settings, find the frame rate option and select a fixed value. If you are not sure, 30 FPS is usually a safe choice for regular videos, while 60 FPS is better for gameplay or high-motion footage. Click OK, choose an output folder, and start the conversion. Once it's done, import the new file into your editor and check if the sync issue is fixed. Now let's try HandBrake. Open HandBrake and load your video. Choose a preset, such as Fast 1080p 30. Choose MP4, MKV, or MOV as the container, then go to the Video tab. For frame rate, make sure to select Constant Frame Rate. You can select a specific value like 30 or 60. Adjust the quality if needed, then click Start Encode. HandBrake is a great free option, especially if you want more control over encoding settings. That's it. Both tools used in this video are free, and you can find the download links in the description below. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple video tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.